Most people fail at monetizing their favorite video games because they're narrow-minded. They think that the best way to monetize their favorite video game, in this instance PGA Tour 2K25, is with the YouTube Partner Program and the ad revenue. But I'm telling you, that is probably the worst way to monetize this video game. In fact, in this video, I am going to give you multiple better ways to monetize PGA Tour 2K25 so that you can actually make money from it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I teach people how to monetize their platforms without having to worry about the ad revenue or playing the game. In this video, I am going to reveal multiple ways to monetize from worst to first. Let's go ahead and get started. The worst way to try and monetize 2K25 is with the YouTube Partner Program, and there's a number of reasons why. Number one, simply put, you have to play the YouTube game. And what does that mean? That means you have to scratch and claw and fight to get 1,000 watch hours. You have to scratch, claw, and fight to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But in reality, we know that subscriber count doesn't matter anymore. It used to be very important 5-10 years ago, but ever since TikTok came along, subscriber count just doesn't matter. And so since subscriber count doesn't matter, why do we have to be beholden to these silly rules? We know that we are at the knees of the algorithm. We have to play the algorithm game. Also, even if you get the minimum requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program, you can apply and still be rejected. If you swear too much, if you swear within the first 3 seconds of your game, your videos, individual videos, can be demonetized. You could run the risk of not being eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, which is a huge problem. In addition, we know that the ad revenue fluctuates, it changes. In Q4, the ad revenue is going to be high because there are a lot of advertisers willing to spend money. But what about the other quarters? We know that the CPMs vary greatly. We know that the CPMs vary based on location. For example, there are people in some areas of the world that are in developing nations, and so the CPMs aren't going to be high. Advertisers aren't willing to spend money in those areas. It doesn't mean that those people don't have money, it's just that advertisers aren't willing to spend money. And so if you have a bunch of people that are watching you play in those areas, you aren't going to make as much money. There are a number of reasons why relying on the YouTube Partner Program is a bad idea. Also, you can just be randomly kicked out of the YouTube Partner Program. If for whatever reason YouTube changes its policies and rules, you could lose your monetization. So I encourage people that are just getting started with YouTube not to rely on the YouTube Partner Program for monetization. So what should you do? Before we get into that, let's talk about how you should go about it. Another mistake that a lot of content creators make is they want to play Let's Play. They want to make money by having people watch them play. And I think that's a terrible idea. Most people don't care about you. They care about how you can solve their problems. And if you're a brand new content creator, you don't have 1 million followers, you don't have 10,000 followers, no one is going to sit around and watch some unknown person play. What I think you should do instead is I think you should create content for other people. Create content for the viewer. So what does that actually mean? That means go to your search bar, as you can see here, and type in PGA Tour 2K25, and then go through each letter of the alphabet. People are going to be asking questions on how to play, how to do certain things within 2K25. For example, PGA Tour 2K25 tips. And when we look at this, we see that people are searching this. In fact, this teeny tiny creator, 6.2 thousand views from 3 days ago. You start off teaching people how to do stuff in 2K25, you will get views. And then eventually you can start doing Let's Plays, and you will build a community, you'll build a following where you can monetize in a variety of ways. But look at this. This person, Stevie's, He only has 2,000 subscribers, but he's got one video here, 21,000 views, 17,000 views, because he is providing tips. Let me give you another example. So we can do how to blank underscore in PGA Tour Tour 2K25, right? So look, how to swing. But what we can do is go through each letter of the alphabet and find one that works. How to change golfer name in PGA Tour 2K23. Look at this. Even though it's not 2K25, this person only 68 subscribers, 25,000 views. If you want to build a community, you want to build a following, go this route. Look at this. 6.9 thousand views, 3,000 subscribers. This is the right way to go, right? PGA, let's change this to PGA 2K25. And the great news is we build a community, we start getting tons of views, and then we can eventually start doing Let's Plays. And what I would encourage you to do is start doing this now, because there isn't a lot of people creating content about this. So if we go to PGA 2K25 best archetype, you can see here that, oh, there's 98,000 views, 5 million subscribers, but look at this one. Once again, we've got one guy who's going to grow really fast. If you want to get started, this is what you want to do, okay? So I'm going to get into the different ways that you should monetize. Here's another example. Here, I'm going to get into the different ways that you should monetize, the best ways, so that you can actually make some real money. One of the easiest ways is to build a community. And you can use something like School. So if we go over to school.com and we could go over to Discover Schools, and we could create a community where we're teaching different tips and tricks, and we're offering live Q&As, we're offering different resources and guides, and people will pay us every single month. There are a number of these places. There's School, there's Mighty Networks, there's you name it, there's a bunch of them out there. So what we simply would do is create a community. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can create a community. But look, Pickleball, $39 a month. School of Mentors, $39 per month. You can create a school community about literally anything. And you charge anywhere between $7 and $49 per month. And people will come to your community, and you have to give them more information. You have to give them more knowledge. It could be a guide, a private guide teaching people how to quickly scale up their career. It could be a guide on how to play online. Offer exclusive guides, and you will see. So I'm just going to type in golf here, and you're going to see, look, there's a bunch of communities. Right now there's a bunch of free ones, but you could create a paid community. Look at this one, $39 per month. Let's type in video games. So there's a few video game communities. This one's $30 per month, $47 per month. There's a bunch of them out there. So one way, $10 per month, 567 members. So that's $5,000 per month, just from a $10 a month game. Here we go, Madden Film Room, $10 per month. He's making $1,600 a month, and this is reoccurring. He gets paid every single month as long as members remain a member, right? And you can see there's multiple pages of this. That's one way. Another way is with affiliate marketing. And so with affiliate marketing, you partner with a company. It could be Amazon, it could be Best Buy, Walmart, Target. There are over 11,000 affiliate programs out there, right? And you just need to partner. You apply, you get accepted, and then you get an affiliate link. But what you can promote is a number of things. Okay, maybe you promote controllers, gaming chairs, gaming monitors, TVs, headsets, anything. If your target audience wants to start streaming, you promote microphones and cameras. You can promote hard drives. You can promote parts of a PC. So like you can teach people how to build their gaming PC, and you promote those different parts, right? You put affiliate links in the description of your videos. And when people click and buy, you earn a commission. And like I mentioned, there's over 11,000 affiliate programs. So what we can do is we can type in gaming affiliate programs like this, and you're going to see there's There are so many different affiliate programs. You could partner, let me close this. You can partner with NVIDIA. You could partner with Razer. You can partner with Alienware. You can see all these different affiliate programs that you can apply to. Apply to them all. And then you put the affiliate links in the description of your video. So we've got memberships where you get recurring monthly income. You've got affiliate marketing where you're promoting other people's products and services. You could create a digital product. So you could create a course, or create a workbook, or a planner, or a cheat sheet, or a guide. What if you created a course teaching people how to level up their player in less than 3 weeks, or how to become the #1 ranked golfer in PGA Tour 25? What if you did that? You sell that for $7 or $17 or $47. There's going to be a segment of your market that actually comes out and buys it because they're getting value. Okay, so we've got digital products, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got memberships. You can even do one-on-one coaching. Okay, and maybe you could, what I don't like, but you could do merchandise. You could create your own merch. You could use a website like spring.com or Teespring and create your own merch. And what's great about this website, let me go back to Teespring. And what's great about this website is it's print on demand. You create the logo, you create the merch, and you partner with Teespring. You can put the links in your description. And then when someone comes to your website to buy, you get paid. You make money. Obviously, Teespring is going to take a cut for whatever it costs them to make the shirt, but these are much better ways to monetize. We're already up to 4. So we've got merchandise, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got digital products, we've got memberships. This is how you can make 10K per month. This is how real YouTubers are making significant money, and there's no reason why you can't do it too. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I just discovered that PGA Tour 2025 came out recently, and I looked at when I go over to YouTube, and I'll just show you why I'm making this video. If we go over to YouTube and I type in PGA 2K25 and I look over on the right hand side, there's not a lot of competition and not a lot of volume about this video just yet, about this game just yet. So I'm making this video in part to help you make money with your favorite video game, and I'm doing this to show up on YouTube. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, follow, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.